Good morning, it is Wednesday the 15th of September. Welcome back to BTHQ Banter, I believe number 6, which is pretty exciting. So I have actually been here for the last 2 days. I haven't recorded anything because it hasn't really been anything to show you. I have been busy coming up with new prototypes, which is all very exciting. The first of which, I don't know whether I should show you. It's a handbag organizer, but yeah, it's got lots of pockets and it's got little handles. It's one of those things that, you know, you can fill with all your junk, put in your handbag, and then when you switch out your handbag, instead of having to empty it all and reload it, you can take out your handbag organizer and plonk it in a new one. So that's very exciting. I'm also working at the moment on a big ginormous duffel bag style weekend bag, like holiday bag. I love coming up with new ideas, and my brain's been absolutely buzzing recently with new ones, and I've got a couple of filming days booked in early October where I want to refilm some of our sewing club projects that are really old videos, with new tips and things that I've learned, and then potentially some new courses as well, so it's all very exciting. I've got the lovely Carol coming in this morning for the first of our knit nurse clinics. Carol is going to be doing a knit nurse clinic every couple of weeks here at BTHQ, the idea being that you can come along and learn whatever you like knitting wise, so you can be a complete beginner and learn to knit, or you can bring a pattern that you're struggling with, or you can learn a particular technique, and she is going to be able to teach you pretty much whatever you want to know in those sessions, so that's very exciting. But first one of those this morning. I'm going to carry on sewing bits and bobs, and then what else have I got to do today? Just looking around, I've got to think. I think that's about it. So before I forget, I did promise you a fashion show of the tie-dyed t-shirts that the kids and I made the other day for Ella's birthday, and in true Mackiness Spires style, we have filmed some spectacular footage for you. We went away last weekend to Mersea Island, which, for those of you who don't know, is a very tiny little island on the kind of southeast coast. It's not even really on the coast, it's like the mouth of the River Thames but it's very close to where we live, about an hour away. And we had a caravan holiday there just for the weekend, so we decided we would put all of our t-shirts on and we'd film you a little fashion show. So I shall insert that here, and then I'll come back to you a little bit later. It is Wednesday the 29th of September. Yeah, I've been a little bit AWOL, haven't I? I went off to the lovely White Isle of Ibiza last week, spent 4 days in the sun, which was a much needed bit of rest and recuperation, but then I have been dealing with a few family issues behind the scenes, which has been keeping me a little bit busy and away from BTHQ, so apologies for that. But I'm back here today. We've got a full day of classes, people in and out doing different things. We've got a young man painting our front door at the moment, so we can't even leave the building, so we've basically been locked in to sew and knit. The lovely Irene is here. Say hello, Irene. Hello. Irene is making one of our door stops. So she's made a start, and she's using this lovely plastic nylon fabric, so it's nice and waterproof, which is fabulous. We've got Carol and Karen next door. Oh, it's all bright and sunny. Hang on, hang on. Oh, Say hello everyone. Hello everyone. Carol is being the knit nurse today, so she's here to help with everybody's knitting issues. And this looks interesting. Carol, is this Jenny's?
This is Jenny's.
Yeah.
Alpaca.
Alpaca, fluffy alpaca.
It's a drop pattern, which is of course from Norwegian.
Oh right.
It gets lost in translation.
Lost in translation, and I bet trying to unpick any of that is really hard because it just knots together. Oh, Jenny, we do love you. Karen is doing a beginner's jumper.
This is a baby.
Baby jumper. Let's have a little look at your pattern. Oh, that's really cute. I love the little buttons.
In grey and white though.
That's all right.
I quite like this colour.
Yeah, very nice. Is that a nice pattern, Carol?
This is a nice one, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, we can cope with that one.
Yeah.
Jenny's escaping actually. If we'll find Jenny, Jenny is in making a cup of tea because obviously Carol was looking at her knitting. But we do have to have a look at Jenny's dress. Take your cardie off, Jenny. Give us a proper spin. I love this. This is using our gorgeous brushed leopard cotton that we had in place. Give us a little spin. It's so nice. It's such nice fabric to wear, isn't it?
Yeah,
really soft on your skin. It's lovely. We haven't got any more of it left, I'm afraid, but I'm going to try and get some more. But it's lush. What pattern's that?
It's a McCall's pattern. I can't remember the number, but I can let you know.
Yeah, let me know. Did it come up really big?
Well, it's stretchy. So.
Yeah, because they do. I find McCall's come up really big.
And you can
That's
make
lovely.
it sleeveless or
Yeah.
that, and you can also make it without the gathers here.
Oh, I like the gathers.
You know, a bit more
Flattering. Beautiful. Well done. Well, carry on tea making, Jenny. Splendid. So yes, busy day here today. Good afternoon and welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It has been way too long. It is Saturday the 16th of October today. I actually don't know the last time I picked up this camera, but we haven't had anything really worth filming at all. We've had lots of people in, but just kind of doing one-to-ones and things like that, no group stuff. But today is a different day. I will say it is 20 to 4 and we have been here since 10 o'clock and I'd completely forgotten to pick the camera up. But members of our contented crochet crowd have come in today for a Christmas crochet day and they have been busy making lots of little Christmas goodies. So I'll take you in, you can say hello and see what they've been up to. Here they all are. Can we say hello everyone? Hello. Oh, and I didn't train them. Fabulous, fabulous. So yes, we've been very busy. Elsa's here now. Obviously, she's made one of everything. But we've got some lovely Christmas baubles, some Brussels sprouts. We love those. A chocolate orange cozy, which hasn't got a chocolate orange in it at the moment. Have you eaten it? No? No? Carrie's made a bauble and some snowflakes and some holly. And Terry's made some snowflakes and a Christmas pudding. We've got a bauble over there from Tina. And what have you been making, Paul? Oh, a snowflake. Some...
A dubious sprout.
A dubious looking sprout and a bauble. And Becky's made a chocolate orange cozy. But the best thing about today... is that Elsa has bought Colin the Caterpillars and Percy pig pies. We're all very happy. I've been working on my Attic 24 Yuletide blanket as well. Good morning, it's Wednesday and once again I've forgotten to pick the camera up, but I have picked it up in time. We've got lovely ladies in. Say hello everyone. Hello. They're not quite so well trained. I'll explain in a minute. And they are making oven mitts today. It's probably one of the first classes I've taught in a long while actually, and so far so good. We are perfectly on track for time. Let's have a look and see what they're doing. So we've got 2 pairs of Christmas mitts going on here. We've just turned them in the right way. We're just getting to the finishing touches and some gaming mitts. These are rather cute. So I'll show you when they're finished. I'm very naughty. I showed you the class yesterday and then I let them all go home and I didn't show you what they actually made. Let me put some pictures up here. As you can see, we had some really happy people with some very, very fancy oven gloves, and today we're going to have some very, very happy people with some very, very fancy makeup wipes, because it's a very special day at BTHQ today because we have the very first inaugural class of our lovely new teacher, Sandra. You've all seen Sandra before on the vlog, I'm sure. She's been here for many, many, many classes and lots of things in the past, but she's now going to be teaching for us at BTHQ, which is super exciting. And we're trying out her brand new class today to make makeup wipes and a washable bag. Let me show you. So everyone's going to be making these lovely little bamboo makeup wipes, which are all reusable, very sustainable, and a nice little wash bag with a zip that we can pop them all in and pop them in the washing machine. So that is going to be lovely, and we've got some fabulous fabrics, although these are all upside down at the moment, so you can't really see.
Oh, just
maybe when they're finished we'll show you. Well, they're still upside down, aren't they, because they're right sides together. This is Lorraine. Morning, Lorraine.
Be brain at home.
And we've got Tracy over here as well, both busy sewing, so we'll see how these come out a little bit later on.
Right, I don't know if we're recording. I think we might be. Let's see.
Well, hopefully we are. We've had a lovely morning.
We have. So 2 lovely sets of makeup wipes and wash bags. So hopefully all going to be good for setting everybody up for their sustainable makeup bags. Thank you very much.
So we've had some people here today with the lovely Carice. Say hello. What's the company that you work for?
United in Kind.
United in Kind. They're doing a lovely charity project. We're going to hang all these tags on Christmas trees throughout Brentwood, and they're going to have wishes on the back of them from members of the SNAP charity and also Home Instead. And then you can buy presents for people for Christmas, and then there'll be a nice charitable donation. So everyone's been making these lovely tags today, so they can get hung on the trees all over Brentwood. Good morning. I don't even know what date it is today. Let me think. It's the 29th of September. I am a terrible vlogger. I don't even know what's on this camera because I think Sandra picked it up. I don't know whether she did any video or not. If she did, you will have seen it already, because obviously it was a few days ago. We did our card making thing last week, and then I went to Alton Towers. So I've been away from the studio, but I'm back in today. It is Friday, we've got no classes today. I've got lots of orders to cut and process, but then I'm going to spend my afternoon prepping, because on Monday and Tuesday next week I have the lovely Glyn from CVS returning, so that we have 2 solid days of filming new sewing tutorials. It is so exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to refilm some of the old things from our sewing club. The videos weren't quite so good. They were things that I did myself. They weren't done professionally. So I want to refilm them, freshen them up for the new year, for our new intake in January. And then I'm also going to film a few more tutorials and courses. So that's very exciting. So you've got all of that to come. And other than that, there is nothing until kind of next week, class-wise. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video home today. It could be a really short little BTHQ banter. Like I say, it's been going for a few weeks now, and I don't really even know what's on the memory card. But it could be a really long one, who knows. But I'm really hopeful that soon things will really start to pick up again, because actually I'm starting to get a bit down by the whole situation. The world is returning to normal, and people are busy about doing what they're doing. That's not right. The world is returning to normal and people are busy doing their everyday lives. Things have come back to normal. People are travelling, people are going to clubs, people are going shopping, people are out and about, but people aren't coming in here still. And I'm not sure why. I think people are just busy being busy, if I'm honest. I know it's certainly nothing that I've done. So I'm hoping things will start to return to normal a bit more here. I'm planning on sitting down and doing a chatty Q&A video that I'm going to upload to this channel, which will probably go up in the next few days. Just give you a bit of an update on me in general, on my life and what's been going on, why things have been a bit slow here. It's not just because the people aren't coming in, and just give you a bit of a general update. But I'm starting to waffle now, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to package these orders, and then I will see what else happens towards the end of the day that you might be interested in seeing. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is the 1st of November. A full face of slap must mean only one thing. It is filming day here at BTHQ. I've got here, it's just 9 o'clock, so I've just got here. I'm just going to set the area up now before Glyn arrives at 9:30. He can get all his kit out, get all the lights up and the camera rigged up, and we should be able to get going by about 10:30, I think. I'm a bit concerned I haven't got enough projects cut out. I've got 6 sitting here on the table and I've got 2 that are ready at home for me to bring in tomorrow, but I like to try and get as much done as I possibly can in a day. These filming sessions are 2 days long. They cost quite a lot of money to do, so I like to get as much in the can as I possibly can, and then then I can edit it over the course of the next few months or so, and release things gradually. But obviously I like to get as much as I can done. So yeah, might have to halt things later on today and get some more cutting out done. If not, then if I do get it all done today, I've got quite a lot of cutting out to do tomorrow night at home, or tonight at home, sorry, for tomorrow. So we'll see how we go. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. The clock's changed, the weekend, and it's dark. I've got to go home in the dark for the first time. Anyway, we filmed 4 projects today, not as many as I would have liked to have done, but honestly getting back into the swing of things after all this time is so hard. We worked out that it was August before last that we did the last lot of filming, and even Glyn, he's only just come back to work and it took him twice as long as it normally does to set everything up. So we're all on a bit of a go slow, but we'll make up for it tomorrow, hopefully. I'm going to go home now, have a nice restful evening, and then come back and we can hit the ground running at 9:30 tomorrow. So I'll see you later. Good evening. It is Tuesday the 2nd of November. I've been filming all day again with Glyn today. I haven't picked the camera up once, which just goes to show how useless I am, but the lovely Mr. Spires came in to see me. There he is again, and he's just helped me put the hoover around, tidy up, and put the studio back to how it should be, which is amazing because that then means I don't have to come into work tomorrow. Win! So it's all ready for Friday, ready for my lovely ladies to come for craft club, and the sewing space in unit 1 is all ready for my lovely ladies to come and make oven mitts. So Friday is going to be a busy day. So I think there is probably enough footage on this card to make a BTHQ banter. So I'm going to go home and I'm going to upload it to my computer and edit it together, but probably not for a few days yet. I'm going to have a few days off. We have filmed 12.5 hours worth of footage for lots of courses that's going to be uploaded to the website over the next few months. So that comes first, then a BTHQ banter, then a sit down chatty video. But as of next week, I am back in full force. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you all again soon. Bye!